I'm not working on a lot of apps right now, so I think it's more the designers that would fear the changes coming in. But we're very diligent about our review process. We don't just roll out a component willy nilly, right? We like really look into what is the impact of this going to be, and then we're not far enough along, I would say. And I would also add to that, maybe somebody else could speak of this, but the overrides are pretty forgiving in Figma. They're not like Sketch. Sketch was a very rigid system where you could control overrides of what can be changed, what can't be changed, which, by the way, there was good things about that. So I think there's some pros and cons. Sometimes I'll look at something and be like, I cannot believe this override did not follow through here. And then I just forget how it works, right? So there's pros and cons. It's slippery a little bit. So you got to get to know it. So I never fear that because I always have undo, right? So if I publish it and the design explodes, they can always undo or go back in the version history. And then, they would let us know if we rolled out a component, people accept the changes and we blow things up. It's going to be much scarier, by the way, on the code side than our side, a lot more. And so, they'll be able to hit us up in our Slack channel, and then Joelle and I would look at and assess what the issue was that caused it. We can roll that change back or roll back a version. So there's a lot of different ways we can deal with that kind of problem.